SR/V6, 1 owner, power moonroof, alloy wheels, CD/MP3 audio. Byerly Nissan is Kentucky's #1 Nissan dealer in customer satisfaction. This 2010 Nissan Altima 3.5 Stradins features a 3.5L V6 engine, power moonroof, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control and much more. It has gone through our extensive inspection and reconditioning process, performed by our service department staffed with Nissan Master Technicians. This is one of the reasons we are a proud recipient of the Nissan Owner First Award of Excellence, Nissan's highest award for outstanding customer satisfaction. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. For complete details please visit our website at www.byerlynissan.com. It's that easy.